Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong third-party energy reading. At para ito sa lahat ng Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay? At gusto kong sabihin sa inyong lahat na ang third-party energy ay hindi laging romantic. So, bukod sa romantic third-party, but anything or anyone na nakaka-apekto sa connection mo with your person or may effect sa inyong relationship ay third-party energy. So, pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapamilya, katrabaho, kaklase, pwedeng trabaho mismo, ACADS, career, projects, priorities, at iba pa na may effect nga sa connection ninyo, significant effect sa connection ninyo at sa relasyon. Okay, so tignan natin kung anong masasabi kong energy from the collective. So, bubunot ako ng 8 cards. 4 for the third-party energy and 4 for the connection between you and your person and the third-party energy, how it affects the relationship, the connection. Okay, at habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ng inyong love and support. Okay? And sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang aking channel para mag-grow palalo ito at makagawa pa ako ng sangkatutak na love reading para sa inyo. So, continue to support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading. And sa mga bago, please support by liking this video, commenting below, sharing it to all your friends na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. And syempre, subscribe na para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Okay, simulan na natin. I'll get the fourth card since April pa rin naman ngayon. Itong oracle card gagamitin natin mamaya. Okay, so let's begin. So first card, Three of Pentacles. Second card, Queen of Pentacles. The Lovers, okay. And the Fool, okay. Okay. And then the how it affects the connection. First card, Five of Wands. The Emperor. Okay, King of Pentacles. And Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck, the Star. Okay, so this is the energy you don't see coming. And dahil lumabas ang Star, manifest what you want to manifest. Make a wish. Okay. The Star card is a wish card. Okay. So, nakita ko dito, you have the Pentacles here, just one. So, and you have the Queen and King, the Knight. This is not a romantic third-party situation, but more on the finances or something about career, work, okay, especially Pentacles, main suit na lumabas, and then Major Arcanas na, even the hidden card. So, Okay? Mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Pero, with the Three of Pentacles here, and the Queen of Pentacles, okay, okay, hindi siya, dahil struggling kayo sa relationship, financially, pero dahil um, very focused yung person ninyo, he or she is so career-oriented, okay, that affects the connection. Okay? Na para bang hindi kayo nag-move forward from the um, the relationship. Parang ang nakikita ko dito is medyo stuck kayo dun sa first phase pa lang ng relationship. Mahal niyo yung isa't isa, pero hindi siya makapag-move to the next level. Okay? Like, kung wala, if you're currently dating, hindi siya makapag-move sa isang committed relationship. If committed kayo, hindi kayo makapag-move sa next level, which is being engaged or being married or moving together or yung mga plans niyo before, hindi siya makapag-proceed or hindi siya ayaw niyang mag-materialize. Hindi naman sa ayaw mag-materialize, pero nada-delay. Parang you're still in the full energy, which is the beginning or the start of the relationship. Meaning, parang, yun nga, kung dapat level 2 na kayo, nasa level 1 pa rin kayo. Kung dapat level 4 na kayo, nasa level 3 pa rin kayo at the moment. Because nga, walang time masyado yung person ninyo to really fulfill yung role niya sa relationship dahil mas nakafocus nga siya sa career. And hindi ito dahil nga struggling kayo financial. Actually, very abundant nga eh. You have all the, you don't even have the Page of Pentacles. Nasa King, Knight, Queen of Pentacles, meron kayo dito. Then you also have the Emperor, which is being a leader, di ba? In a relationship. Pero ito yung later yan. Focus tayo dun sa third party energy. With the Queen of Pentacles here, it's really, yung person ninyo, siya yung person na hindi siya, ayaw niya ng drama in life. Okay? Kaya din sobrang immersed siya sa work kasi sa work parang hindi siya, he or she can be herself. Diba? May control siya. May control siya sa kung ano yung ginagawa niya, kung ano yung mga diba? Kasi pag mas leaning towards siya sa relationship, though mahal ka niya, hindi mahal ka niya, pero parang to avoid then any drama in life. Especially, syempre, di ba, ang relation, it's more on emotions, being vulnerable, being intimate. Okay? Mas may control siya sa work, sa career niya. Kaya mas naka-focus siya doon. Na nagmumukhang yun yung priority niya over the relationship, over you. Okay? So, but because then he or she has this Queen of Pentacles energy na he or she finds comfort dun sa environment na yun. Na mag-work lang, may alam mo yun, yung pride na he or she is recognized and by the organization, yung alam mo yun, yung meron siyang sense of pride sa mga ginagawa niya sa trabaho. Na natatapos niya yung projects, mga reports, nagagawa niya ng tama yung mga projects. And I think rooted siya sa kung paano siya pinalaki. Na you have to be an achiever, you have to do well in whatever you do. Dapat nag-excel ka sa lahat ng bagay. So, nakikita niyo yun, yung ganong excellence sa trabaho. Kasi 'di ba, yun nga control niya eh, saka siya lang yun eh. 'Di ba? Parang in a relationship kasi more of collaboration, partnership talaga na um, he parang half of the role is sa'yo, half of the role sa kanya, and to make it really work and masabi na nag-excel kayo sa isang relationship that pareho at sabay kayong umangat. Pero yun, wala siyang control dun sa 50% coming from you. Di ba? Pero kasi sa work, yes, kasi all, di ba, sa career naman natin talaga, mostly, we, even if sinasabi na you have to be a team player and all, pero if, especially, I can see here that your person is in the upper tier na rin or upper ranks of the organization. And usually, yeah, he or she has to be a team player, but still, nandun yung full control sa kanya. So, and with the Three of Pentacles here, talagang yun, kasi Three of Pentacles is about growth, diba? And even if it's about collaboration sana with you, diba? And since that, again, ito yung third party energy, diba? So we focus on how it affects or what is this third party energy. So yun nga, yung imbis na mas, and the ironic part here is he or she is very good in collaborating with his or her coworkers. Ano yun, sa work setting, kaya niya talaga yung teamwork, yung collaboration, pero dun siya nag-i-struggle naman when it comes to the relationship. Kasi nga, hindi siya nakafocus doon. Pero, again, mahal ka nung tao. Okay? Mahal ka nung person. Okay? And, hindi rin naman siya yung parang, isasantabi ka na lang. Okay? Hindi. I think, dahil nga din, yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba, na possible na pinanggagalingan nito is how he or she was brought up. Okay. And feeling ko yun din yung parang gusto niya rin mangyari sa relationship na parang you like how his or her caregivers brought him or her up. Di ba? Parang yun yung gusto niyang makita din sa relationship na parang, parang kino-comment siya when it comes to mga achievements niya, mga nagagawa niyang maayos, maganda, ganyan. So, and since yun yung may epekto sa relationship, I think yun yung hindi nangyayari. Okay? Kasi here, okay, moving to how it affects the relationship. And ano na yung nagiging struggle between you and your person because of this third party energy, which is yung masyadong focus siya sa career even if you're not financially struggling. Ito, with the Five of Wands here, yeah, it's creating a conflict between the two of you. And there's even a competition actually. Okay, roles can be reversed. There's also a possibility na ganyan ka rin. Okay? And yun yung nagiging conflict between the two of you dahil Five of Wands is a card of competing each other, di ba? Na now na nasabi ko nga to, I have this feeling nga na na nasa same industry pa kayo eh. Kung hindi kayo nasa same work, nasa same industry kayo, and you're kind of competing pa sa career, di ba? Else, kahit kung magkaiba naman kayo, parang you're both trying to excel in both your careers to the point nga na mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Alam nyo sa puso at isipan nyo na mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Pero because you have this innate competitiveness, di ba? Parang ayaw mo rin na, ay, napapag-iwanan ako ng partner ko, or siya din, parang, ay, napapag-iwanan ako ng partner ko. You both try to really uh, compete, not in an unhealthy way, yeah. Pero yun nga, yung ayaw nyo lang din mapag-iwanan kasi nga parang natatapakan yung pride ninyo or yung ego ninyo na kaya ko rin naman. Parang may ganun, 'di ba? Na tendency, and especially with the Emperor card here, which is a card of um, leadership. Both of you are struggling nga kasi both of you wants to be the one um, leading even in the relationship. Kasi sa career, ayun you have that sense of leadership, pero pagdating na sa relasyon, di ba, both of you wants to be the leader. Sabi, walang gustong magparaya. Parang ganun. May ganong conflict. Five of Wands is a card of conflict. May ganong conflict sa relationship ninyo na may power struggle, diba, sa relationship. And here, lumabas si King of Pentacles. Again, is it's actually loving yung the way kasi din, pero yun pinapakita nyo din yung love niyo kasi King of Pentacles is loving through acts of service. Parang hindi nyo siya you're doing it parang kung in a different lens, pero sa inyo is parang nakikita niya is no, it's a power struggle, di ba? Parang hindi ako magpapaka parang under sa person na to, or regardless if you're a guy or girl, parang you don't want to be controlled din, di ba? Pero kasi in a different setting kasi, yun nga, may sense of control yung person na minsan nadadala sa relasyon, pero the other party ayaw din magpa-control naman. Gets? Parang yun nga, dahil sa power struggle. Excuse me. So, si King of Pentacles kasi, it's a card of showing love. Again, love nyo naman is through acts of service na parang you want to have control para magawa mo ito sa mga relasyon. Kasi nga parang in your mind or in your person's mind, that's how I show love. Diba? Pero again, you have to look into kung ano yung pinanggagalingan, paano siya nagsimula, bakit may ganun tendency yung person ninyo or ikaw, diba? And here with the Knight of Pentacles, I see naman here na very, again, you're not financially struggling. In fact, very financially secure kayo pareho. Showing all the pentacles now, even yung King, Queen, Knight of Pentacles here are showing up. So, there's a lot of abundance financially. And even with it, when it comes to love, mahal naman talaga ninyo isa't isa. Alam mo ba si lovers? And the King of Pentacles with the Knight of Pentacles is showing the consistency, very ang tawag doon, yung kung are, tara date tayo, sige, yeah, capable naman kayo, di ba? Parang, you go out on a date, you travel, pero hindi, yun nga, since yung third party energy is yung about sa career, the control. Actually, now na mas nabuo ko na yung story, it's really more on taking control. Medyo may pagka-controlling yung tendencies lang in the power struggle. But overall, parang gusto nyo rin naman na maging smooth, maging peaceful. And with the star card here, lumabas dito si star card, I see here na both of you wants or hoping na mas maging harmonious yung relationship. Okay? And the star card is a card of healing. May mga yung pagiging controlling ninyo is rooted siya din sa upbringing and sa environment na kinalakihan. So, nakikita ko dito that it requires healing talaga for the relationship to be more smooth sailing, mas harmonious, mas may balance. Okay, walang power struggle, and para mas maging long term yung relationship. Para hindi rin kayo stuck going back dun sa initial stage lang ng relationship ninyo, with the full card here. Okay, para mag-move on na kayo to the next level. Okay, ng relationship, diba? Para mag-move na kayo to a committed relationship or to marriage or to engage, pagiging engaged, or from dating to being a couple. Okay? So, yun. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. And before I end, bunot tayo ng 3 cards from this oracle deck. That would be the advice of the universe if you're in this situation. Okay? So, bunot ako ng 1 card each for the earth signs. Sige. So, if you're a Taurus, ang sinasabi ng universe is beginnings. Again, you have to start something. Not clean slate, pero you have to move now to stuck na nga kayo dito sa initial stage. You have to move on to the next and start that next level of the relationship. Okay? New beginnings, new ways of working together as a couple. So, if you're a Taurus, ito yung sinasabi sa inyo. If you're a Virgo, friendship. Okay, so, di ba, sa friendship, there's usually balance. Hindi naman, to keep the friendship long-lasting, hindi, di ba, ayaw mo rin nga ng mga controlling na mga kaibigan, di ba? In a real friendship, there's always harmony, there's always balance, and you should apply that energy sa relationship ninyo. And if you're a Capricorn, protection. So, protect yourself from being hurt by working together. Kailangan nyo mag-usap. I think walang lumbas dito na sword card or even cups, and di ba? Walang yung emotion, yung feelings nyo ba, what you really feel, what's really in your yung emotions, hindi siya masyadong na-express. So yun yung kulang din sa relationship ninyo. The sword energy and the cups energy of expressing, communicating properly what you really feel, what's ano yung emotion ninyo at the moment, di ba? So you have to really work on it kasi makakatulong yun sa growth ng relationship. Okay. So, again, sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa akin channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits! Ingat!